You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not
So
here,
I just cannot believe I did that. I really don't believe I did it. Despite everything that's going on. This just, I know it's material, but you know, it brought a little joy to my heart knowing that I was able to still get these items that I desired. And yeah, so I'm gonna give you guys a little glimpse. I wanted to make sure the order got through. Nothing was going to be out. Um, yeah. I mean, that stuff was selling like people had been waiting for Icy Park. And Beyonce sent out boxes everywhere like she does. And I saw a couple of people in their items, and I was like, yeah, you know, I like to support our own, like you guys know, but this was just extra special because I wanted to treat myself. I work hard, so shipped, ship. There's actually some more. It's another invoice because I ended up getting something else. Maybe two more items. I don't know. One, two, three, four, five, six. I think it was six, if I'm not mistaken, because that's the limit per person. So yeah, I was cut off, but hey, I got my stuff, and it's probably gonna take about a week. So I'm guessing like by the 26th. Yeah, 'cause it's the 19th, so by the 26th I should get my stuff hopefully. But yeah, man, I'll show you guys once I receive it, lay it out. You know, give you a little something. So yeah, I done treated myself for the time. I can't say for the year, but this was a biggie. It definitely was a biggie. So, anywho, feels good. Life will go on. We will pick back up and do what we need to do. I just wanted to share, you know, my little feel good moment through this storm and tragic time in our lives and state. It's just, yeah, again, don't take this as wrong just because I was able to do this during this time. That's not what I'm trying to get across. Yes, it is material, but yeah, you know, I was able to do it. So, yeah. I don't believe I did this. Oh, it's February 19th. I don't know. I have been waiting for this date, for this release, and I thought I missed it. And I don't know, somehow, with all this stuff going on, this storm and everything, it doesn't matter. But I just thought, you know what? This, you know, bring a little joy to me. It would. So I'm going to see what happens. I'm going to see what happens. I just didn't think I could get through, really. But it launched at 3 and I have been sitting here for the longest. So we shall see. Alright, y'all. It is February 28th. And yeah, I just pulled this in my room. And actually, I received it yesterday afternoon. But it has been about 24 hours. I'm just now getting to it. It's still going to take me a few minutes to unbox it. But y'all, Icy Park, what time is it? Yes, I am so excited. Icy Park. Y'all, if y'all know, y'all like, let me see. They're from the 90s, the early 90s. Icy Park, what time is it? Y'all know, it came from a movie. It didn't say Icy Park, but y'all know, if y'all from the early 90s, it's a movie. And, yeah. I'm so excited to open these packages. I'm like, yeah. And this thing is like a whole trunk right here. So, and it's heavy. So, I'm gonna go do a couple things. I don't even know what to do. I'm hungry. I don't know if I should eat first and go ahead and do this or what, because I have several videos that I need to film and move it along. Because so far, like this one, I'm getting ready to leave hanging. I have intros that have been filmed at least 6 weeks ago. And I haven't finished them. So, I'm going to get this one out of the way and get this one up because this is new and current and people are receiving their packages. So, I'm going to go ahead and get this one up and out the way so it don't seem like, girl, where you came from? And this is like, the stuff been released on February the 19th and here you come in, weeks later, months later. So, yeah, I'm going to get this one up. Let me stop babbling. Y'all, I'm just, yes, y'all. Gosh, these are so freaking cute. Name tag. Yes. And a little bag here. My other dust bag. I'm the type of person, yes, these shoes are going to stay this color because that's how I am. I'm going to have these shoes forever. But I can do some white and they stay. So I'm not concerned, but I know these are so freaking comfortable. I can already tell. Put the back in there. Open up the rest of this stuff. Okay, so I did size up because I don't like my stuff to fit like that. So I sized up. And yeah, I done already got into the jacket. My deal is the sleeves, because I'm not that tall. I always have issues with my sleeves, so yeah, just a little cuff and I'm straight. But it fit just the way I wanted it to. Anybody else, I can't really tell you. I would say order your size, but I don't know. I guess it's just a personal preference, depending on how you want your clothes to fit. These so freaking cute. I just like this color. Cute. And the same thing with the top. I did size up because I just don't know, but I probably could have went down a size. But all in all, I'm good. I'm straight. I'm not selling anything. I'm keeping it all. So I got 1, 4, 5, 6 pieces. 6 pieces. Yep, all 6 of my pieces. I am good. Beyonce came through. She did her thing on these designs. Now, It's 80 degrees in Texas, y'all. I don't even know. This probably like next fall, even though I'm gonna try. I can do the top and the pants and the shoes and the mask. I don't know about the jacket though. Not right now. But that's okay though. I'm gonna be set. Yep, I must definitely be set. Until the next drop. Yep, until the next drop, I will be set. So, I'm trying to think, is it anything else that I wanted? Nope. And this is the mask that go with this. I didn't get any other pink or any other brown. I probably would have got something in the pink, but I did not, because I had reached my limit. And actually I would have bought something for one of my girls in the pink. She would have liked that. But yeah, now this stuff is going for arms and legs because people are reselling it, which I don't understand. But yeah, we shall see. Try what you think. Like I said, I treated my little self and I'm happy. I did myself a little treat for this season in my life. I have worked hard for it. Sometime a girl has to treat herself, because if you don't, who will?